organize my fidgets with me. First, poppets. That's all my poppets. I know I've lost a lot. I just realized that from fidget trading. But next is my squishies and stress balls and all that stuff. That's all of my squishies and stress balls and stuff. Now let's do mochi. That's all of my mochis, but I forgot this is also a part of the squishy and stress ball collection, so I'll just put that right there. But next is monkey noodles and these stuff. And tangle. Next is marble and mesh, which I only have 3. So, yeah. Next is fidget spinners. And, oh, this is part of squishies and stuff. But anyway, next is like slime and Play-Doh and stuff. And last but not least is all the random stuff. That is all of the organizing. I have lost a lot of fidgets. I've lost them. I don't even know what happened to them. Probably fidget trading, but yeah, that's all for today.